Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Deepali from Health and Fitness Tips. So this video is regarding a high protein breakfast that you can have if you are a busy person and if you are a struggling person who is planning for weight loss or going into a fitness journey. Then you need to eat a proper high protein meal as your first meal, that means as your breakfast, but you don't have time. There are so many things that keep you away from having a good proper first meal of a day. That is very important. That means your breakfast. So what happened, like if you're eating poha, if you're eating paratha, if you are eating upma, dosa, all are these things, like if you are a vegetarian I'm talking about, so all are these things are very less in protein. That means you will not get enough protein for the first meal of your diet. So how to get it? So I have one thing for you. This is MuscleBlaze high protein oats. These are MuscleBlaze high protein oats that will, in just one serving guys, it will give you 17 grams of protein first of all. And it comes with probiotic. That means if you have bad digestion, bad gut, this is the thing for you. So high protein improves your gut health and it comes with goodness of chia seeds and pumpkin seeds. So amazing omega you will get, and also good fat quantity you will have that will help you in improving your mineral and absorption of other nutrients in the body. High in fiber, amazing for your gut health, and amazing dark chocolate flavor, and rich in probiotics, rich in antioxidants. So what you have to do with it? So add milk and oats and kaboom! Your chocolate milk oats are ready for the breakfast. And I like to do one more thing with it. Recently I got to know about this MuscleBlaze protein shake that gives me 18 gram of protein in just one go. So what I do, I take it and I take this and I mix it and I keep it for some time for like 3 to 5 minutes. Then it comes amazing, super chocolatey taste and gives me around more than 30 grams of protein in just one go. Like I don't have time in morning to have a proper breakfast, so I prefer my meal like this, which is easy to go and delicious, and of course no cooking. Okay, so one more thing I would like to add in this video is there is a sale going on MuscleBlaze, which is the great performance sale, in which you will get 48% of discount along with the freebies, and also you can have additional discount using my code, which is DEEPALIMB. You can have amazing discount using my code as well as on the site code. So have this MuscleBlaze protein packed oats as your first meal and complete your fitness journey with MuscleBlaze. Thank you so much for watching guys, and if you have any questions just drop it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, have a nice day.